Good evening, everyone. So I am Apurva, and here are my teammates Jeevan Nayak, Chetan PW, Chetan CH, and Arjun. So today our topic is GMinsta, a mini social media app using MongoDB. So in today's our project, we are presenting a project that is GMinsta, which is a social media app. This project is a student-built social networking platform designed to focus on real and meaningful connection rather than just like likes and engagement numbers. Unlike large social media platform that can feel overwhelming and cluttered, GM Insta follows a minimalist approach. It provides only the essential features needed for users to connect, share, and communicate. The main goal of this project is to demonstrate how simple, clean, and efficient social media application can be built using modern technologies like uh, maintaining good performance and user experience. This project also includes a technical deep dive where we explore how the system is designed, developed, and implemented. Next slide. So coming to the next slide, we have the need for GM Insta. So here we have three main concerns, that is the problem, a solution, and target audience. So first coming to the problem, existing solution media platforms today are often overloaded with features, filled with ads and distractions, focus more on engagement metrics than real interaction. This can reduce the quality of the communication and affect our experience. Next is our solution. So in this solution, to solve this, GM Insta has provided us a clean and distraction-free interface, focusing on the core interactions like posting, following, and messaging, and even commenting. Strong emphasis on user privacy and simplicity. Our aim is to bring back the essence of social media, a genuine communication. Coming to the target audience, here GM Insta is designed for users who prefer simple and minimal apps, people who care about privacy and meaningful interaction, students and young users who want a lightweight alternative to mainstream platforms, users seeking a streamlined and privacy respecting alternative to the mainstream social media. So next will be continued by Chetan CH.
Hello everyone, I am Chetan CH. I am here to explain about requirements. In requirements, we have two types, functional requirements and non-functional requirements. So these are the features the system must do. So first point is user registration and authentication. So user can sign up, log in and verify, identify. Then second point is profile creation and management. It means users can create and edit their profiles. Third point is post text and images. So user can share posts with words or pictures. Then fourth point is follow and unfollow users. Like users can connect with others or stop following them. Next fifth one is chronological feed generation. So this means show post in time order like latest first. Then sixth point is basic direct messaging. So users can send private messages. So next is about the non-functional requirements. So these are about how well the system works. And coming to the first point is performance. App should load feeds and post quickly. Then scalability is system should handle more users as it grows. Next is about security. Security means protect users' data and privacy. Then usability, it is for easy and simple interface to use. So next slide is about system design. So in system design, we have main layers of the systems like edge and infrastructure. Like this is the outer layer users interact with the React Native front end, like it is for mobile app interface and users see and use. Next is AWS GCP cloud infrastructure, like servers and cloud services that run the app. So next one is gateway layer. So this is the traffic controller between users and backend services. So it handles the API routing and authentication and rate limiting. And core services, these are the main backend. So next one is gateway layer. So this is a traffic controller between users and backend services. It handles the API routing, authentication, and rate limiting. So next one is core services. So these are the main backend features, separated microservices for user service, post service, feed service, and messaging services. So next will be continued by Chetan. Thank you.
So my topic is about architecture visualizing the flow. Now let's explain the architecture of our application. It's very simple. The journey begins with a client, which is mobile application used by the user. Whenever a user logs in and uploads a post, it gets likes, comments, or they can send a message, or they can get a request or a reaches through a API gateway. This API gateway works like a smart controller system where authenticated users can send and can request to the correct service medium for accessing of information and for viewing and managing of a system. After that, the request moves into the profile data and post service manages the content and feed the services. Preparing it to the personalized feeds and messaging services, the controllers can give a end-to-end encrypted private chats, which is very much secured for this kind of applications or website. All these services that can communicate with the database to store and retrieve the information efficiently, where we can see that the client can send a mid of message through a APM gateway where the users can access the multiple posts or the reactions to their own post, or they can give a comment or a multiple of a comment to the one post or their own post. This feedback system will be stored in a database where in front end we are using the React based native app for iOS and Android, which is very compatible with the designing and architecture of website creation or app creation, where API gateways are the main source of communication between the front end and back end for working flow of real-time applications, where microservers, like it is a medium of managing services, like the user sends the post and that feed will be through a medium of a message, likes, or a reaction, where we can use the cloud of Google Cloud or a MongoDB Atlas Cloud for key API keys for, for managing the database and the storage of a database for overall flow of a working model of an app. The next is the database design of a MongoDB structure, where we are using the MongoDB for our own web application because it is very much dynamic use of managing of a data and can implement a new type of data types to itself that can be more compatible with the more upcoming updaters that can be implemented in our system. Instead of storing everything in a rigid tables, it can store and collect in a faster and easy medium of scales, where the post collections, where each post contains the user ID and that particular user ID have a caption text image, and that particular images can be captioned or hashtagged with another users, where the comments are also based on a URL or a hashtag based links where they can be seen they can be seen in a public post link or a private post link, where they can be a connection medium of a pointer between a one user and another user or one user with a many user system, where this follows the collection which maintains the relationship between the followers and the following users. Finally, the message collection stores a private chat including the sender ID, user ID, or a receiver ID, the message text, and the timestamp, which is most essential for a Insta-based app where only the sending message timestamp is being recorded, not the received stamp, because it's not a business medium of application; it's the social medium being of application. We are being developed and we are being implementing to this system. In this design, every collection uses a unique ID. Field has a primary key or a relationship of a based on a relational key or a main key, where it is maintained through the embedded arrays of reference IDs. This structure improves performance and makes the application sustainable for real-time social media operation. Next will be continued by Arjun.
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about UI with design with a minimalistic approach. Minimalistic design means keeping the things simple and clean. We remove unnecessary elements and focus only on what is important. Login and setup. The login screen is a simple and easy to use. User can quickly enter their details without any confusion. Feed. Their feed is shows post in a clean way. There is no extra filter, so user can focus on the content. Profile. The profile page shows user information, followers, and post clearly. Everything is organized in a easy to understand. Direct message. The chart is the, the chart interface is simple. Messages and timestamps are clearly visible for the easy communication. So overall, the minimalistic design makes the app easy, fast, and user friendly. Next, I will explain the technological stack used in the project. Native. It is used to build mobile application for both Android and iOS. Next is Node.js and Express. These are used for backend development and handle server operations and APIs. MongoDB. It is used it is a database used to store data in a flexible way. Docker and Git. Docker helps in running application in containers and Git is used for a version control. AWS and GCP. These are cloud platform used to host and scale the application. This technology stack makes the application efficient, scalable, and reliable. The next will be continued by Jivan.
Good evening, guys. Today I will explain future enhancement. In this slide, we are showing what we plan to add in the future to make the app more engaging and useful. So the first point is we want to introduce stories where users can post photos or videos that disappear after 24 hours as we use it in Instagram. This keeps the app active and fun. Means in our daily life we add stories and we upload reels in Instagram from our accounts. So this makes us entertained, and the viewers and the users who are following us also provide them entertainment and some contents. And the next point is search and discovery. Here right now it's basic, but we plan to improve it so user can easily find peoples and trends and content using hashtags. Like in daily life we see many trends of dances, songs, and many other things. So we are adding a feature which can search and discover the new trends and people around us, so we can build a comfortable and good community. And then next is we also plan to add group messages so users can chat with multiple peoples at once, so no just one to one. This makes the app more social. Means here if we are in a cyber security class, so we can make a cyber security group, and we people can chat in a group, so it can be more convenient and more personalized, so that it is more efficient for managing the things. And another important feature is moderation tools using AI. So this helps in filtering harmful or inappropriate contents, keep the platform safe. So here we are using AI and machine learning modules for filtering the harmful things and unwanted inappropriate contents, so to maintain a mm, efficient decorum and efficient community. So finally, for revenue, instead of showing ads, we are thinking about premium features like analytics for creators, so the experience remains clean for users. So here in Instagram and YouTube, they are earning revenue in the form of AdSense. So instead of earning revenue in AdSense, we will provide a small amount of premium plans, so it can be helpful for big creators or some talented persons who are in between us. So in overall, these enhancements will make the app more interactive, safe and scalable. And next slide, Chetan. The next slide is conclusion. Um, this slide summarizes the entire project. What we have built is the complete social media application with all basic features like login, user profile, posts, and messages. It designed using modern tools so it can be used in real world scenarios. We can build it for our class or our college as our ERP app also has a same thing. The reason this project matters is because many existing social media apps are too complex and sometimes affect user privacy. Our app focuses on keeping things simple, private, and user friendly. And our vision for GMinsta is to create a minimalistic social platform with where users can connect easily without distractions, and we want make social media more meaningful rather than overwhelming. So this project is not just about building an app but about improving the overall experience in social network, except Instagram. Thank you.